When winter weather takes over the roads, salt spreading is the common solution to melt snow and ice. But what happens when all that salt is tracked back into your vehicle? Salt accumulation is an often overlooked and frustrating cleaning task that can damage the interior of your vehicle if not properly treated. Thankfully, there's an answer. Introducing the OxiClean Winter Salt Eraser from Hopkins Manufacturing. The key is in the special pH formula. It penetrates surfaces quickly and uses a crust-busting chemical base that attacks and dissolves set-in salt on contact. And unlike other salt erasers, it also provides a fresh, clean scent. Thanks to the unique cap, multiple tools are no longer needed since it features a multi-angle brush specifically made for large surface scrubbing and heavy-duty cleaning. The spot scrubber is designed for more detailed cleaning, and the groove tool is for cleaning creases and small areas. So now, cleaning vehicle floor mats are no longer a burden. Designed to be used on carpets, floor mats, and fabrics, it's safe and easy to use wherever the salt buildup is. The OxiClean Winter Salt Eraser from Hopkins Manufacturing. Work your magic.